Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use the Crypto.com app. The Crypto.com app is a powerful tool that allows you to buy, sell, and manage various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. To get started, first download and install the Crypto.com app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have installed the app, create an account by providing some basic information, such as your name, email address, and password. You will also need to verify your account by providing identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license, to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. After verifying your account, you can deposit funds into your Crypto.com wallet using a credit or debit card, bank transfer, or other supported payment methods. The app supports multiple fiat currencies, including US dollars, euros, and pounds. To buy cryptocurrency, navigate to the Buy tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Enter the amount you want to buy and confirm the transaction. The app will display the current market price and any applicable fees. You can also sell your cryptocurrency using the Sell tab. Select the cryptocurrency you want to sell and enter the amount you want to sell. The app will display the current market price and any applicable fees. In addition to buying and selling cryptocurrency, the Crypto.com app also allows you to manage your portfolio, track market prices, and set price alerts. You can also use the app to send and receive cryptocurrency to and from other Crypto.com users. To ensure the security of your account, enable two-factor authentication and use a strong password. You should also keep your device and app up to date with the latest security patches and updates. In conclusion, the Crypto.com app is a powerful tool that allows you to buy, sell, and manage various cryptocurrencies. By following these steps and best practices, you can use the app to achieve your investment goals and stay safe while doing so. Always do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before investing in cryptocurrency.